Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Just finished refurbishing this AO39 speaker amplifier out of Hammond A105 organ. Replaced numerous resistors here, electrolytic capacitors. Replaced filter can here. And grounded the terminals of the old can cap there. Cleaned the potentiometers and cleaned the chassis, and so this amp should be ready to go. Here's the new can. Instead of using 3030 and a 3030 here, I use 3030 3030 at 475. I removed a 3030 450 3030 450. Here's the old can here, so I just put one can in and connected everything to that. And Brother Mike Phillips recommended that I ground the old terminals from the old can, which I did. Thank you for that, Mike. Appreciate that recommendation. And so this amp should be ready to go now. Take it. Well, I just got one more thing I want to do. I'm gonna clean up these terminals here before I take it back, and then it'll be ready. So that's the last thing I'll do, and that's it for this video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.